Hello, welcome to my channel Qubit Educational Services. In this video we are going to continue with our discussion of the mathematics section of the NEST 2020 first shift, and in this video we are going to solve the third question. This question is based on the exterior angle property of regular polygons and properties of triangle. Let X be a regular n-gon with vertices a1, a2, a3 so on till an for n greater than 6. Okay, suppose the sides a1, a2 and a5, a4 are extended externally to meet at a point P outside X. If angle a2p a4 is 2 pi by 3, then the value of n is 12, 20, 24, 18. So we basically are required to determine the number of sides or the number of vertices which this particular polygon has. The very essential part of this problem is to construct the accurate figure or the correct figure, I would say. Okay, yes. So suppose C is the center of this particular polygon and a1, a2, a3, a4 and a5 are the vertices, okay, or the adjacent 5 vertices. Now what they are saying is sides a1, a2 and a5, a4 are extended externally to meet at a point. Okay, so a1, a2 has to be extended in this direction and a5, a4 has to be extended in this direction. Okay, and they are intersecting at this particular point P, and according to them the angle a2p a4 is 2 pi by 3 or 120 degrees. a2p a4, that means this angle which we have shown in the pink color, originally in the green color, whose magnitude is 2 pi by 3. Okay, and based on this information we are required to find the number of sides. Okay, now the very first thing is we make use of the exterior angle property to arrive at the following conclusion. Observe that the angle a3a2p, that means this angle, and a3a4p, that means this angle, both these angles in the green dot, they are the exterior angles of the polygon, aren't they? They are, okay, because you are extending one side and you are measuring the angle between the extended side and the other side of the or other adjacent side of the same polygon. Okay, so by the exterior angle property it is equal to 2 pi divided by the number of sides. If you know this particular property, then the problem gets simplified. Okay, so this is 2 pi by n. Now we go to the triangle CA2A3. Now this being a regular polygon, triangle CA2A3 will be an isosceles triangle. Yes, and this being the central angle, which one, angle A2CA3, it will also be equal to 2 pi by n because there are n sides. Yes, therefore if we are required to find this angle, let us call it alpha now. Okay, what will it be? Both these angles will be equal to alpha because, as discussed, it is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, by using the property of triangle that sum of all angles is 180 degrees or pi radians, one of these two angles will be equal to pi minus this star, or 2 pi by n divided by 2. Okay, if you do that, we will get the magnitude of the angle CA2A3 as well as CA3A2. Okay, but we will be more interested in CA2A3, which we have now called alpha. Okay, now the next part is not too difficult. We now consider the quadrilateral CA2PA4. CA2, then P, and then A4, and then back to C. So this quadrilateral which has two blue sides and two yellow sides. Okay, now sum of all angles of this quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. Well, we know that now. Okay, so let us first consider the given angle, that is 2 pi by 3 considered. Now let us consider this angle. Okay, see now these are two central angles. Okay, the first one is 2 pi by n and so is this one, so that makes them 4 pi by n, or the total angle of the quadrilateral is 4 pi by n. And now we are required to consider these two angles. alpha plus dot, and so is this. Okay, and because these two angles are equal, it is enough to consider one of them and multiply its magnitude by 2. Now from our analysis, what have we got? We have got angle CA2P as alpha plus dot. What is alpha? Alpha is pi by 2 minus pi by n. Yes. And what is dot? Okay, now see, this dot is now the exterior angle which we had got earlier. What is that? 2 pi by n. Okay, so it will be pi by 2 minus pi by n plus 2 pi by n, and that is what this term in the bracket is all about. Okay, 2 pi by n plus pi by 2 minus pi by n, and this has to be equal to 2 pi. Correct? Now observe that this equation is the extremely important equation as far as this question is concerned, because this consists of only one unknown, which is n, isn't it? Yes. So if you solve this equation, which I think all of you can, if you solve this equation, you will get the value of n as 18. Okay, and that is the fourth option in the question, or option D. Okay, so I think this question is simple, provided you know the exterior angle property of polygons. Well, and this is what you already know. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees and sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Alright, so this completes our discussion on question 3. In the next video, we will go to question 4.